Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Capital One's budgeting tool. Let's get straight into it. First, how to access the budgeting tool. What you want to do is to log into your Capital One online banking account and just navigate to the budgeting tab to access the budgeting tool, and then just click on get started to begin using the budgeting tool. Now, how to set up your budgets. What you want to do is to link your Capital One accounts as well as any external accounts that you want to track, and then just set your income, including any regular deposits or transfers. And then you want to categorize your expenses such as housing, transportation, food and whatnot, and then set budget goals such as saving for a specific expenses, or it could be paying off debt. Now, to track your expenses, you can track your expenses on this budgeting tool by just going there to view your transaction history to see where your money is going. You can also track your expenses against your budget categories, and you could also receive alerts when you go over a budget in a specific category. Now, when it comes to the features of this Capital One's budgeting tool, you have the automated budgeting. So that's the tool is going to automatically categorize your transaction and track your spendings, so you don't got to worry about that. And there's also customizable budget categories where you can create custom budget categories to fit your specific needs. There's also budget goals where you can set specific budget goals such as having savings for emergency funds or for paying up debt. You could also have alerts and notifications where you receive alerts and notifications when you go over budgets or have unusual account activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the budgeting tools. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.